photography literally changed my life. So I'm not gonna go with a long intro, but in a nutshell, photography has got me over here, where I am now. Now, as you all can see from my other videos to now, this is a whole different setup. Like, there's a lot of different furniture, different things. It's more well lit, or more lit, I guess. I have moved, so I am now in a different place. Actually, not too far from where I was, but yeah, that's one of the biggest life updates, and that's why I haven't been posting. I haven't been active on socials. I haven't been posting on YouTube. But for those who have been watching videos, because I've been watching the analytics, some people have been watching a lot of them. So I really thank you for all who have been watching consistently and, you know, liking, subscribing, commenting, and just making sure that the channel still stays alive. I have been watching, don't worry, I have been around. So I will be posting very soon. I've been kind of like stockpiling a lot of content, and there's a lot to be posted. So I really hope you all enjoy that when I do get around to posting them. I'm doing everything myself since this channel is still in its infancy. So I want to make sure that the quality is really good. So I want to post a lot, but I want to post quality over quantity. That being said, I do want to say that I'm going to try to post at least 1 to 2 videos a week, long form and shorts, plus or minus, whatever kind of works, because again, new place, different things. I want to make sure I give the best quality and best tutorials and everything possible. So I'm just letting you all know I'm going to try my best to keep up with that, but it might, you know, change a little bit here and there. So another bigger life update, and why I'm actually over here and how photography changed my life, is I got married. So I'm just gonna quickly jump back for a second, but when I was younger, I didn't really know when I'd get married or how I get married, and I had this thing in my mind that I wanted to make sure I got married by 25 at least, because I heard divorce rate goes down, and just in general it's better overall. And that's kind of what happened. I got married. I'm in my mid-20s, which is 25. So yeah, I got married. I'll put some content on the screen so you can see. I'm getting the professional stuff later on because they're still working on it. I don't want to rush them. So yeah, that'll be up on the video somewhere, and maybe later on my socials you'll see their stuff. The people who recorded and photoed our stuff, since no one really let me use my own camera on my own wedding. Even though I did manage to sneak in a little bit of my own work here and there at the last day. As you all know, some weddings, especially cultural weddings, like Indian weddings, they are longer. There's not one day, there's multiple days. So the last day I managed to sneak in working with my camera. It's kind of fun. So yeah, that's one thing. And that's kind of where I'm gonna lead into what I meant when I first started this video. How photography changed my life. So photography literally got me here because I met my wife through photography. So she's actually only gonna arrive now. She might even hear the door knock. But yeah, so her and I met at a photography event. I was covering an event. It's called Qawwali Night, which is like a Pakistani poetry. So she was there, and lo and behold, she basically wasn't planning on going. And for me, I just didn't think anything of it. Wasn't really sure it'd be anything special in terms of the event itself, because it's just an event. But yeah, I went there and we somehow got introduced because she wanted me to take a picture of her, and yeah, we're here now. So I'm not gonna put her on screen because I just want to keep her identity kind of safe right now. You never know who's watching. So yeah, that being said, I'm not gonna post her just yet. Maybe later on, maybe we'll have her own channel, hint hint maybe. But yeah, so she is how I met and how photography really changed my life. And some of you may also see I don't have a ring on right now. We're trying to get these kind of like more toy rings, or like the ones that cost like $2-3, because, you know, we want to have one where we can wear it around and not have to worry about something breaking. And plus, you don't want to show people sometimes the expensive stuff, because you never know who's watching. So I'd rather not have people know that there's a big target on my finger or something like that. But anyway, that being said, that's partially why I don't have a ring on me. Now, some other ways photography has really changed my life and has really gotten me what I wanted. There's so much that photography has led me to in terms of like music or other projects, brands even. And I'm not saying all this to gloat. I'm just saying this as in I want to show you that if you put time and effort into what you do, and if you have fun with it and really try to put your best foot forward, show the work, the quality, etc., the work and just in general, the, I guess, clout will come to you. So I've met friends who work in the music industry, and that's led me to meet other people who followed me or just reposted my work, and some of that stuff has led to like my photos being in an article. It's just been really cool. So there's something that's really cool about photography and I guess videography, really any creative work, that allows you to just branch out in so many different things, whether you think you can or not. Like I said, you can have photography, videography in almost any industry, and it'll be so cool to use. Like construction, they need constant work for showing their, construction work, how to sell the condos or the house itself. They need work done. Beauty, same thing. You need to show the makeup and how it's been contoured, etc., etc. And also just in general, there's so much stuff you can do. So again, like I said, I'm not loading with this. I'm just saying that you can do a lot with it, and it's always good to start when you can, and you never know where it'll take you. So photography's really changed my life. I'm through all this entire video, I'm gonna put some clips on it so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, and I'll put some at the end too. But you just never know who you're gonna meet. You never know where people are gonna end up, and it's one of the coolest things I've experienced. And yeah, that's where I've been and how photography has literally changed my life. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, it'll be over here, maybe over here. It's my first video in the new place, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure where I'll put it, probably over here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, got some more of a personal view of my life and just in general this whole channel, and I will be posting a lot more soon, so hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Peace.